Hi guys, so this is Cake Me Away. So you met the love of your life, yeah? And he proposed and you said yes. So now the work begins because you have to find a dress, you have to find a venue, you have to do a bunch of things, and you also have to find the perfect cake. Okay, so today I'm bringing you a few tips on how to find the perfect cake for your perfect wedding. Okay, first things first, yeah, like this video. So number one, you need to set a budget. Regardless of what you're buying, whether you're buying a dress or you're trying to get a venue, you need to have a budget. That way you have a limit on how much you can spend, except you do not have a budget, which is awesome, and it means the sky is the limit. So number two, figure out what style you like. Yeah, do you like rusty cakes? Do you like naked cakes? What kind of cakes do you like? And if you do not know, just go online. There are all sorts of pictures for you to see online. So number three, try different flavors from your favorite bakery. And you should try out different flavors before you make up your mind. Don't decide you want a red velvet cake before you even try other flavors of cakes. Be open-minded and you'll be surprised what you find and what you end up liking. So keep an open mind so you can find the perfect cake for you and your spouse. So number four, be open to suggestions. Yes. So what you want to do is run your ideas by your favorite cake artist or your baker, and then you'll be surprised what they can come up with, whatever additions or whatever subtractions they want to put to your ideas that can make it perfect for you. Okay, so number five is to take your spouse with you for cake tasting. Yes, a lot of cake companies nowadays offer cake tasting where you get to taste the cake before you decide on what flavors you want. So there'll be a variety so you can pick one. So take your spouse with it because it is not just about you, it is also about your spouse because you're not marrying yourself. Okay, so this ties into what you and your spouse have decided to be the theme of your wedding. So the theme of your wedding is basically going to decide what kind of cake you want. Is it going to be a destination wedding? Is it going to be like a regular Nigerian wedding? Because Nigerians do not really do themes, if you get me. But whatever the theme of your wedding is going to decide what kind of cake you should book. And then you should book your cake in advance because you do not want anybody to rush a cake for you. You want to take your time and plan it and decide what kind of cake you want so that your baker can have enough time to execute your project. Okay, so number eight, whether you've decided or you can't seem to decide, make sure you save loads of cake pictures that you like online and then send them to your baker, basically, because you can check on Pinterest, you can check on Facebook, on Instagram. There are basically loads of pictures everywhere as well as videos, so you can check and then you can mix match and you can mix two different styles together. There are no rules, basically, it just depends on what you want. Okay, so the last one is to be prepared for alterations where they are necessary, and make sure you communicate the theme of your wedding to your baker so they can alter the cake based on your needs. Is it going to be an outdoor wedding? You don't want to do a buttercream cake, you do not want to do a cream cake. Make sure there are alterations that match what you and your spouse want to do for your wedding, especially what you have in mind, because the baker can know except you communicate that. Okay, finally guys, so even though you've explained what you want to your baker, it's important for you to let them do their thing, even though you've explained exactly what you want. So you don't know how to make cakes, you don't know how it works, just explain what you want and let them do their thing on your cake. That way you get the best result, you get the best of both worlds, you get the best of what you want and the best of what they feel will work for your event. So thank you guys, and I hope you like this video. So follow me on Instagram as _Cake Me Away, and as well as on YouTube as Cake Me Away. I have over 120 videos for you guys on YouTube. So thank you guys, and I love you guys for watching all of my videos. Bye, see you next time.